Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Clash Royale cache. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. Scroll down until you find Clash Royale option. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you will be able to see Clear Data option. Tap on it. To clear Clash Royale cache, select Clear Cache option. And then tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Clash Royale cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.